We'll be going over how to watermark an image in Acorn. Watermarks are typically company logos or a copyright with a company or individual's name. Both examples will be explored in the next few minutes. As you can see, we already have the image we want to watermark open in Acorn. Then go to File, Add Images, and find the file you want to be your watermark and click Open. You can see that the Flying Meat logo has been added as a layer above the young woman in the layers list. Adjust the watermark layer size to your personal preference using Layer, Rotate and Transform, Scale and Rotate. Keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-T. Once the size looks right, click and drag to place your watermark where you want it. Then, click Apply in the palette or double-click with your mouse to commit the work. Now, turn the opacity of the layer down in the Inspector palette. The watermark here looks good around 30 to 40%. Also, play around with the blending modes to create your desired look. We'll use Darken to take out some of the white of the logo. And there you have a watermark. Text watermarking is just as easy as using an image. Let's delete the logo layer and we'll start over with text. Select the Text tool from the Tools palette, keyboard shortcut T, and write out what you want your watermark to say in the desired font, size, and color. To get the copyright symbol, go to Window, Fonts, and navigate through the characters. Then, reduce the opacity of the text layer. Around 60% looks good here. Hit the Escape key to end text editing, and then use the Move tool, keyboard shortcut V, to place your watermark wherever you wish. For more help with watermarking, be sure to check out Acorn's written documentation, which contains additional examples.